Hi, Hydronova. I spotted a few things on your Amazon listing that could be costing your sales right now. So let's take a closer look for your product listing, which is the Hydronova Face Cream. Now, first, congrats on your 4.1 star rating and your Amazon's Choice Badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. Now, I'm Kim. I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So, first, let's talk about traffic. Now, what really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Looking at your distribution here using our tool, I could see that you are organically indexing for 900 keywords and you are supporting that with around 1,100 paid keywords. Now, this can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing for here. And we usually recommend a golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. And as you can see, you're leaning a bit low on the organic side. This is the reason why you are not being seen or you are not indexing better. Now, you can also check out this word cloud here below. These are the most important keyword for your listing, and we could share this export for free if you will book a call with us. Now, going down here to your highest search keyword in your category. So, this is the biggest traffic opportunity for your product. And for this keyword phrase, instant faced lip cream with 500,000 searches, good job bidding on this. You're currently at 24. However, for this keyword phrase, face moisturizer with 198,000 searches, you are not indexing here at all. So what this means is that you are not being seen here at all. Now imagine the increase in sales if customers can actually find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now we can definitely help you with the keywords here. We can help you push the rankings up ideally into a single digit number because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now let me show you how big your category is on Amazon. So this is just in the top 50 listing for the keyword phrase face moisturizer. There is a total revenue of $66 million and top sellers are averaging around $955,000 per month. Now I can see that you are not really getting your fair share over here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can definitely help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, we also reviewed one of your top competitors here, which is the Centillion face cream. Now, just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly. There are differences when it comes to price and positioning, but what we're reviewing here is their keyword strategy. So, as you can see, they've sold over 4,000 units and have generated $147,000 in sales. Now, the difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution, you could see that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome for their product. Now, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. So, the title and the bullet points are the best areas for indexing here. Good job utilizing and maximizing your title and your bullet points here. Don't forget to update this regularly, though, as SEOs are not set and forget. And then for your image tag here, you do have your 6 images with infographic and demographic photos. You could also add a video here. This will help boost your visibility on Amazon as well. Now let's go down here below to your A plus content, as this could be the deciding factor if buyers will choose your product. Okay, you do have large eye-catching images here. Good job on that. You do have your clickable links as well. Good job. Okay, very beautiful photos here. You also have your brand story, which is good. Let's see if you've utilized your alt text as well. Okay, you did. For your alt text, the tip that I could give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help with your visibility as well. Now, those are just a few things that I could share with you for today, but if you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation. Using the book a call button at the end of the video, you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert and learn more about our services. Now, My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.